Namaste. Let's begin our practice for today. Moving into a knee tuck variation. Place your hands to the seat of your chair behind you. Keep your spine straight and your core engaged as you extend both legs forward. Lean back at a slight angle, using your core to stabilize. On your exhale, draw one knee in towards your chest. Inhale, re-lengthen. Exhale, repeat on the opposite side. Continue flowing from right to left, keeping your core engaged and your navel back towards your spine. Pause with both legs extended. Maintain the position of your spine with your core engaged. Alternate lifting from right to left, keeping your legs straight and strong. Moving at your own pace, strengthening through your hip flexors, core, and quadriceps. Adding on, begin to alternate lifting one leg up, out to the side, and back to center, repeating on the opposite side. Continue flowing from right to left, gradually increasing your range of motion, squeezing and contracting through your leg muscles, keeping your spine long and your navel back towards your spine, using your core to stabilize. Moving into a knee raise variation, draw both knees in towards your chest and lower. Continue with this movement, keeping your chest lifting and your spine long, moving at your own pace, resting when you need to. Pause and hold with both legs lifting for a boat pose variation. Continue to lift through your chest, lengthening your spine, feeling your abdomen, spine, and hip flexors working. Release and set both feet to the earth, returning to center. Closing our practice for today. Placing your hands in prayer position, allowing a moment to honor yourself. Namaste.
Now that was good.